Which is the largest land animal? Elephant. Which animal has no brain and no heart? Jellyfish. Which male animal gives birth? Seahorse. Which animal never drinks water?
Kangaroo rat. Which animal cannot walk backwards? Kangaroo.
Which is the most intelligent creature on earth? Dolphin. Which animal cannot look up into the sky? Pig. Which animal blood color is green? Lizard. Which animal smell with tongue? Snake. Which animal has heart in its head? Shrimp.
Subscribe for more videos.